guys, hope you're doing great.
3 things that people do in a lecture hall.
At 18 years of age, you go to a foreign country where you don't know language and then you have to survive, cook, study, everything like it. I heard that you got neurology in NIMHANS 6 years. You छोड़ दिया?
रिस्क लेते हैं, इसके तो इश्क है, so इश्क इज रेडियो, so
Question तो यही थे हम। अब मैं इसमें तुम्हें ऑप्शन नहीं देंगे।
Hi guys, hope you're doing great. I introduce you to a painter. She specializes in mandala art design and canvas painting. And as a part-time hobby, she also decided to crack NEET PG and get rank 4. She's from Baroda Medical College, Dr. Naisargi. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I introduce to you another young, dashing doctor. He speaks 5 different languages, been to China, been there, done that, and survived as a vegetarian in China. He got rank 10 in recently concluded NEET PG.
thank you for having me on the show.
Hello everyone. So with us today we have Dr. Shonali. She is from RIMS Ranchi and she secured such a good rank of AIR rank 6. And with us we have Dr. Sai Kumar. He is from KIMS Hubli, Karnataka and he secured an All India rank of 3. And pleasure to meet Dr. Sai Kumar and Dr. Shonali.
Thank you, sir. We are happy to be here.
So we welcome all of you here, and now that you've cleared your NEET PG, got this amazingly wonderful rank. Tell us, how did you all land up in this profession? And more than that, any interesting stories from your MBBS days, please?
So I come from a doctor's family, so it has been always my inspiration to be a doctor, and I have seen the journey of being a doctor in view of my brother. So I was always excited to be a doctor, and yeah, that's why I have landed in this profession, and I love it.
That's wonderful. What about you, Dr. Kapur?
About me, like till my 12th standard, I have no idea. Like I have no I was unclear about my passion and I have no goals at all at that time actually. So basically, it was like arranged marriage for me actually. My father told me to become a doctor, so like I was into it. Once I got into it, I just like developed some interest and like then the flow went on actually. I never stopped after that actually. Yeah, it was basically an arranged marriage. I had no idea till my 12th.
That's also a different kind of story. You followed your father's advice. That's also nice. What about you, Sonali?
So I come from a very small town from Jharkhand. My grandfather had the dream that someone from our family should be a doctor. So my father actually motivated me from my very childhood. He was saying me to be a doctor. So I was very motivated from the childhood only that I'll be a doctor.
That's very inspiring. Even I'm from Jharkhand. What about you?
For me, like I never had any plans to be a doctor. So I was a studious student since school time. Like I had dreams of going into some IIT. So like that, I used to like more of a MCQ based approach since from the school time. So like that, like maybe the exam like didn't go well, my like JEE exam. So that I landed up here by chance, I feel sometimes.
So you were preparing for it?
JEE. This one.
Oh, that's...
So it's IIT's loss.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I had no option. So like, let's do NEET, let's become doctor. Then we'll think what we can do with the rest of life. I thought.
All of you have these wonderful stories. That's very nice.
Dr. Naisargi, any special days in Baroda Medical College? Any special stories?
So BMC is indeed a special place, and yeah, we have all the sweet memories, and but nothing specific. But BMC is indeed very good place, both clinical and it is an enjoyable experience altogether.
What about attendance?
Yeah, it was at par that you can give the exam.
Okay. What about you, Doc? Any special anecdotes? Any special experiences across in a country that we are competing with?
Yeah, sir. If you ask me about my experience, everything was new for me. Going to a different country at the age of 18, I have never boarded a flight before. So it was everything entirely new. And when I landed up there, I was like, it was not the hometown where I come from. I have never seen these things. It was tall buildings and everything was new actually. So it was, yeah, it took me around like 6 months, let's say, to adapt to that new environment and then get on to the flow. And during studies, obviously attendance and everything is like normal only, but only thing is I found difficult there is like nobody is there to control you, and whatever you can do, you are free to do. It's just about you and your self-discipline to stay within the within your limits and within the hospital. Yeah. So that's the difficult part, I guess. The rest of the things are same everywhere, I guess.
Any special difficulty learning Chinese, communicating with the locals?
Yes, sir. Actually, they teach you only basic things. Actually,
Okay.
not some hi-fi Chinese. So it was easily you can learn in 6 months basic things to get through your daily life. And any interesting, yeah. So when I still remember in my second or third year I was in very low actually. So I went to the club actually with my friends. There one guy was already drunk, one Chinese guy. He came and asked me like, do you want to dance? And I said, I don't want to dance. Do you want to drink? I can buy and give you. I said, I don't drink. Then why the hell do you come to this?
Was there a hospital?
Yes, a hospital.
Yes. Though we have defeated China yesterday in the Asia Hockey Cup 1-0, that was some consolation. What about food, doc? How did you survive? We heard like it's a non-vegetarian's paradise, but what about a vegetarian surviving there?
So actually, if you don't cook and if you rely on outside foods, then obviously it is very difficult for you, and you're basically Indians' stomach is not like how to say made for that kind of spice and half-boiled things actually. So it becomes difficult, but you get adapted to it in 6 to 8 months.
Yeah, the stomach rugosities will
Yeah,
adapt.
yeah.
So you're cooking your own food?
Yeah, ma'am. I started because it's expensive also to eat outside. So I started cooking, and the expense will be like almost 1/3 only if you cook and eat. Yeah, we have time also in first and second year. We had time 1 to 2 hours. I just cook for one time and I use it for lunch and dinner. Yeah.
Anyway, hats off to you. At 18 years of age, you go to a foreign country where you don't know language, and then you have to survive, cook, food, study, everything like it. Back home, still you are on home ground. So it's much more easier to adapt to unlike what you've done. So, a tremendous story you have. Great.
So, Dr. Sai Kumar, what happened to your analytical capabilities? Now you are from an IIT to a medical field.
Yes,
So how do you think?
Like after my NEET result, I thought I should not go anywhere else. Like I was getting college in my hometown, so it was easy to get. So it was not new to me. So I took KIMS. The college was peaceful. I felt like it was like MBBS days were like easy for me. Like I didn't have to adapt much. And the best part was internship. Obviously, the internship we learned a lot of things. Like I was an introvert basically, but internship made me extrovert. Like I talked so much. Like met new people. So internship I feel the best part, and especially traveling to those places in community medicine most years. We met people from rural areas, like it was the best part.
And Dr. Shonali, being in a family of a business people, entrepreneurs, and you are the first one to become a doctor. So how do you think this difference will take you in the future journey of yours?
I think it actually makes me very strong that like everyone around me is very supportive of what my decisions are, and my friends are very supportive of it also. And I have a huge support system with me, and they have supported me during my own problems. Like I was suffering from anxiety and all. So yeah, so I'm very happy that I'm here and representing everyone around me.
And I think that most of the doctors, they refrain to become an entrepreneur. So I think you are one of a kind. You have the mixture or amalgamation of both things, which will be a good thing for you.
Hopefully.
Oh, that's really inspiring, You've coming out from a business family and making that decision and coming out, being from that place, even I can relate. It at times becomes difficult, but done it very nice. I just want to ask you one question. You said that you enjoyed your community medicine posting. Please just elaborate for 1 minute so that everybody, who's watching knows that you should attend your community medicine
in
posting.
internship, like PSM is 3 months, so we posted like different areas. Like every region is different. Like Karnataka, like we met a different type of people in different hospitals. So like it will be chill. We can study and we learn a lot of things. Like we manage patients independently, like PHCs, CHCs. So responsibility plus no much workload. So it was like 3 months was the best part of internship.
That's nice.
Dr. Sonali, you had your own set of challenges during the PG preparation. So can you just share your experience to the viewers? How did you handle them? How did you go about, ensuring that you get to this single digit rank?
So as I already told, I was suffering from anxiety. It has been since my childhood. I am a very anxious person, and also after COVID, I was doubtful of my career choices. So when I decided how will I go with the NEET PG preparation, so the first thing which came to my mind was to go back home and have a relaxed environment and study. So I went home and I had a supportive family around me, and some of my friends are also very supportive, and also like meditation has been a very important part in my journey. It calms you down, you know. I actually tells my junior also to meditate, to do yoga and all, because anxiety and all are like, people are suffering from this.
Yes.
Like it is like you, even if you are very strong, at some point during the MBBS journey you will feel like low, you are not that energetic. So it's very important to you know also do these things with academics.
Dr. Kathiram, आपने NEET 2 बार दिया है. You have given NEET twice. So first thing is, what is the story behind it? आपने जो पहले NEET दिया and this time the NEET which you gave has a different pattern also. It was in 2 shifts. So how was your experience of giving 2 different exams?
So I would say like I think now everyone has already heard my story, so I would just tell it in short. Actually, I gave my NEET PG in 2022 and got a rank of 688, and I was about to take the seat, and NMC came up with the rule: those who did the online classes in COVID, they have to do 2 years of internship. So just before the COVID, this rule came, and so I couldn't take up the seat. Actually, I was planning radio only that time also. So it was very heartbreaking, and I called my dad, and he was actually finally relieved after 5 years of financial supporting. He was finally relieved. Chalo, ab to ho gaya. Then I called my dad and cried. Actually, like it hasn't ended. It continues. Actually, 1 more year I need like your support, and I will come back with a 2-digit rank definitely next time. Then I have the habit of talking with mirror, sir. Whenever I feel low, I just go stand in front of a mirror and I talk. And I am a Captain America fan also, so I just went to the mirror and said that I can do this all day. That's why I just said these words and started my preparation again. And then it went well, sir. And the main difference is both papers are almost 90% same, sir. Only the way of asking the question has changed, I guess. In the topics are same, repeating from the same common high yield areas, but maybe some untested areas. In the same celiac, for example, if we take celiac disease, mostly they will ask for antibodies. This time maybe they went deep and asked something different. That's all. I think more or less the preparation should remain the same for any exam.
Yeah, it could have been like really disheartening not being able to get a rank, but you came out of it, like, you know, hearing your stories, you've been you've come out as a stronger person. And if I talk to you, like, hear your story, Sonali, you have like tried to battle anxiety and come out as a very strong person. That's really commendable. You know, it really gives it should inspire a lot of other students, I feel. Not only students, everybody. I think this is a really inspiring story. And the NEET PG exam, I think for your batch has been like a roller coaster ride. So many postponements and everything. So tell me, how did you all deal with it?
First time it happened to be in the March, and the notification came in the January.
Yeah.
So first time it was like, ठीक है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ लेंगे. फिर second time before the day of examination, so I get to know on the same day at the 6 a.m. that my exam is not going to happen this morning. So but one thing which I kept in my mind, that I have not achieved my dream. I have not reached to my aim. So I need to work harder. If I lose my temperament right now, so it would be difficult if I take a break for a short 10 to 15 days. So एक link जो होती है वो टूट जाती है. तो I have always kept in mind कि ठीक है, exam duration नहीं हुआ पर एग्जाम होने वाली है. अपना ड्रीम एक माइंड में रखा था, और वो इसके लिए वो देख के अपने मेहनत करनी होती है. तो फिर यही से मैंने किया था.
और वो 10-15 दिन का ब्रेक कब सर बहुत लंबा ब्रेक हो जाता है, पता भी नहीं चलता.
वो इट्स रियली अनसर्टेनिटी है, बट आई थिंक वो ड्रीम कम ट्रू भी तो था, एक एग्जाम लास्ट मोमेंट पे कैंसिल हो जाए।
सबके लिए for me like it was like for the I think sir
And it was uncertainty because we are not getting the exam date
Yes.
for 15 days तक हमें नई एग्जाम की डेट भी नहीं पता थी, तो एवरी टाइम वी यूज्ड टू चेक विद एंशियस माइंड कि क्या होगा नेक्स्ट आ जाएगा, पर एनडी वेबसाइट पे कुछ भी नहीं होता।
तो उस टाइम पे डिड यू चेंज योर रिवीजन प्लान, मतलब डेज एक्स्ट्रा मिले तो मतलब कुछ मौका मिला कि वीक सब्जेक्ट्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करें, ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं सर, तब मैंने ऐसा रखा था कि यही रिवीजन यही नोट्स रखने हैं और वापस रिवाइज कर देना है, मतलब इतनी बार किया है, अभी 1-2 बार और।
जैसे कोई नंबर कोट करो, कितनी बार रिवाइज किया आपने सारा डेटा?
सर एक्चुअली दिसंबर तक गिन रही थी, फिर तो
गिना छोड़ दिया।
पता नहीं एग्जाम कब होगा। मतलब बंद ऑफ टाइम about you.
Preparation, like postponements, like I felt they were like helpful for me, like और ज़्यादा दिन मिले तो और ज़्यादा पढ़ सकते हैं, like we never read everything, nobody can't read everything, so if we get 10 days extra we can read one more subject, so ऐसा like when the exam was postponed, like I tried to improve my weaker subjects, those weaker subjects ज़्यादा improve हुए after that NEET PG postponement, so postponements were like I kept like क्या like सबको postpone हो रहा है, so ज़्यादा पढ़ने को chance मिलेगा।
Part and parcel.
इंडिया में तो होता ही है।
हाँ, इंडिया में तो होता है।
हाँ, इंडिया
में तो होता है।
फ्लाइट डिले होती है तो फिर एग्जाम डिले हो गया। I heard कि you got neurology in NIMHANS 6 year, तो छोड़ दिया?
So like difficult decision था sir, like I had to either do neuro or I have to like drop it and work for my radio. So I decided finally let's take the risk. So it's nothing, I have nothing to lose. So it's like this just a seat. So like risk लेते हैं, risk है तो इश्क है. So इश्क is radio. So radio ही लेते हैं.
And so even I think Sonali has a similar story, right? You took obs gynae.
Yeah.
So please tell us a little bit about it.
So जब एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हुआ था एक दिन पहले, then वो मेरा लिमिट था, लाइक आई कुडंट स्टडी मोर देन दैट, तो फिर मैंने एम्स में ले लिया था ऑब्स गायनी, बट देन आई गेव द एग्जाम विदाउट लाइक 1 month प्रिपरेशन. दैट वाज बेस्ड ऑन माय प्रीवियस प्रिपरेशन ओनली. दिस एग्जाम वाज बेस्ड ऑन माय प्रीवियस प्रिपरेशन ओनली एंड आई गॉट अ गुड रैंक, सो या
सुपर इंस्पायरिंग.
तो अभी ऑब्स का ही नहीं उठाना है, कुछ और उठाना है?
रेडियो और ऑब्स गायनी, आई एम स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड.
दोनों एकदम ही. तो होप यू मेक द राइट चॉइस.
तातीराम, आपका क्या है, क्या उठाना है आप?
तो पहले से फिक्स था रेडियो. हाँ सर.
ऐसा भी?
So because I am so introvert, I can't deal with people sir, actually. So in radio you have that dark room and you have the screen for you.
True.
Patient there and from there.
And machines are loyal also.
Yes.
And what about you?
मेडिसिन, इंटरनल मेडिसिन.
पहले से यू डिसाइडेड?
हाँ, पहले से ही इंटरनल मेडिसिन ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था. इंटर्नशिप में वी गॉट टू नो कि बाकी सारी स्पेशलिटीज़ में की वजह बाकी सारी स्पेशलिटी उतनी मुझे सूट शायद नहीं करेगी, और मेडिसिन यस 100% हो जाएगा.
Very nice. Okay, so we've heard a lot of inspiring stories from all of you. That was really nice. अब थोड़ा fun करते हैं, ठीक है? So I have a game with me, rapid fire segment है. So I've divided you into 2 teams. सर आप लोग भी अपने अपने बच्चे, आपके ये 2 बच्चे, आपके ये 2 बच्चे हैं. So टीम A, टीम B. जैसे मैं आपको questions पूछूंगी, you have to hit the buzzer. You can stamp on this table and you have to give me the answer immediately. ठीक है? So are you ready, everybody? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first question. All right. And you will not hit the buzzer before I finish the question. Okay. You have to hit it only after I finish the question. Okay. So the first question. 3 things that people do in a lecture hall. They got it first. Okay. Quick.
Eating, talking, gossip, sleeping.
Oh, eating, talking, gossiping, sleeping. Okay. So team A. This is team A. Okay. 1. You're 0. All right, the next question. 3 excuses people make to bunk the class. They got it again, yeah.
We have fest preparation to come and
Food poisoning.
What?
Food poisoning or health.
Health issues.
Health issues and fest.
Fest
What about the other
preparation.
one?
Parents.
Parents have come. Okay.
or grandmother type.
ठीक है. I'll give that to you.
So we have more than 3.
Come on, team B, you need to buck up now. All right. So the next one is 3 hobbies that people have in medical college this time.
Sleeping,
Drinking
eating,
coffee.
and drinking coffee.
Sleeping,
Sleeping, eating.
Drinking coffee.
drinking coffee.
I think he doesn't amount to
Yeah, a lot of coffee.
Lot of hobbies. Eating is a hobby.
Maggie, eating Maggie.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
ठीक है. That I will give it to you. So one
It's
good
not
one.
a hobby, it's an addiction.
Yeah.
Except for residents, it's a hobby.
Yeah.
All right. Next, are you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Give us the names of 3 medical shows. You give me 2. You give me 1.
Grey's Anatomy, Good Doctor.
Okay.
Chicago में.
Okay. So I'll give 1 to both of them because I don't want any team not to answer this. Okay. Next one. A little tough. Okay. Weirdest mnemonic you've come up with. Okay. Dr. Sai.
One was in OBG, like it was Jack Myers or Chadwick sign. I mean, like Jack was a Chad guy. He looks blue, something. So it was like bad mnemonic, but still.
Okay.
Very horrible.
Hit the buzzer first. I'll give in, but I want to hear from you guys also. Any weirdest mnemonic you have framed yours?
Not a big fan of mnemonics. Only one mnemonic I remember was "She looks too pretty."
What about you?
I have not made this mnemonic, but Preeti ma'am has given us a mnemonic for the order of vacutainer that the blood has to go from. So it was red light stop, red, yellow, green light go.
Okay, that's a nice one. Chalo, ठीक है. So we're done with this one also. Okay. All right, the next one. Can you name 3 medical terms starting with the letter Z? Got it.
Zankers,
Okay.
Zeus,
Okay.
and
Zollingers.
Zollingers.
Okay. You have other 3 left? Do you remember?
Organ of
anything else?
Zeta Tendon.
Okay.
Then Z-man technique
Okay.
and
Z-track technique.
Z-drugs.
But I can't give you marks for this. Please buck up team A. All right. पहले team B पीछे था, अब team A पीछे हो चुका है. So time to buck up. Okay. Next question. What's the weirdest place you found a study note?
Toilet, washroom.
And what was it?
Yeah. Hostel washroom.
Okay.
During exams.
During exams. Okay. I don't want to elaborate on that, but what about you? You guys have any weirdest place you've got a note or you found a note? No. Anybody else? Sir, आपको कभी? Sir, आप?
Sir, I can't.
All right, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है? Ready? Everybody? So we have last 2 questions left. Okay? So name 2 medical conditions that sound made up but are actually real. हाँ, I think इन्होंने क्या है बोलो.
Pneumo ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis.
Once again,
Wow.
please. Pneumo.
Ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. That's the one of the longest medical diagnoses that you will read.
That's indeed.
It's a pneumoconiosis. It's a pneumoconiosis. It's
Okay.
basically जो लोग volcanic dust में जाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
तो जो मतलब वो nat geo वाले होते हैं ना, we go into volcanic volcano के crater के पास जाते हैं, तो volcano की जो ash होती है वो उनके lungs में जाती है, तो उससे वो pneumo ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. और दूसरा तो मैं प्रोटीन बताता हूँ, वो सूडो हाइपो पैरा.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. So team B थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं. Okay. Next. 3 professions other than medicine that you would have chosen.
Question
I
खत्म.
marks जब तक मैं question ना finish करूँ तो पहले मेरे को question finish करना है. Okay. 3 professions other than medicine that you would have chosen. Still forgot it, but I'll ask all of you. Yeah.
Teacher.
Politician.
Property.
Okay.
I'm politician. I'm a good orator, so.
I would have, मुझे शेफ बनना था,
Chef.
तो अभी मैं घर पे ही शेफ हूँ सिर्फ.
Your wife must be very happy. So what about you? Let me start.
Food taster, food vlogger.
ये अच्छी चीज है.
मेरा engineer होगा, second school teacher, third is civil servant,
वाह.
then doctor.
Teacher.
टीचर
Yeah.
चलिए अब तो स्टूडेंट्स जो टीचर बनना चाहते थे वेरी गुड अभी भी यू कैन ट्राई योर चांस चलो दैट वाज नाइस सो इसमें मैं दोनों टीम्स को मानती हूँ लेट मी जस्ट सी हाउ यू ऑल हैव परफॉर्med 1 2 3 4 so I have a clear cut winner any guesses
B.
any guesses yes team B but of course you were not bad very good so, thank you for participating equally important बहुत अच्छा no losers okay everybody is a winner all right
So now we will have tug of war between 4 toppers. They are going to ask questions and let's see whether they are able to answer that question or not.
wow
So may I ask you the first question? Okay. So a 70-year-old female having the complaint of syncope on exertion, angina and dyspnea. On examination, it was pulsus parvus et tardus, double apical impulse, presence of S4, heart sound and carotid fluid. What is the diagnosis?
70-year-old like maybe like degenerative conditions of the walls, PS हो सकता है,
हाँ.
pulsus parvus et tardus, double apical impulse है तो HOCM भी हो सकता है. And what were the findings?
Pulsus parvus et tardus.
Symptoms?
Syncope on angina, syncope on exertion, angina and dyspnea.
वो angina भी है, angina तो इसको होता है, so hypertrophy. ये ज़्यादा लग रहा है.
Aortic stenosis.
amazing चलो
So now your turn.
60-year-old female complains of fatigue, fever, unexplained weight loss. Bone marrow biopsy shows our rods, flow cytometry, CD13 and CD117 positive.
और rods है तो
EM.
state of guess.
One line.
Yeah, one line. We choose the first one.
this is actually a one line
और rods नहीं है तो like CD13, 17.
13 70.
45-year-old female with complaints of abdominal pain and dyspepsia. On examination, palpable intra-abdominal mass. Then he was advised ultrasound. On ultrasound, you see honeycombing. CT also there are honeycombing with calcification.
Height it is. तो honeycombing.
मैम इस बार क्वेश्चन भी आया है गार्बी क्लासिफिकेशन.
अच्छा रिकॉल हो गया सेशन हमारा.
okay next
27-year-old divorced female, history of sexual abuse and domestic violence by husband. With clinical features, insomnia, distressing dreams, always afraid and feeling guilty about her married life. On examination, there is mood fluctuation. Diagnosis.
Psychiatric keys, trauma, recall sir.
Insomnia है. Is it PTSD?
Complex.
So they have answered each and every question correctly.
Okay guys, तो यहाँ पे 2-2 पे एक stalemate हुआ है and we need a tie-breaker. तो ये tie-breaker वाला सवाल है and first one to hit the table wins but should be giving a correct answer. तो 6 साल का बच्चा है जी, उसे बुखार है, एनोरेक्सिया, डबल विजन, न्यूकल रिजिडिटी, कर्निक साइन पॉजिटिव, ब्रुड्जिंकी साइन पॉजिटिव और लंबर पंक्चर में CSF में न्यूट्रोफिल्स हैं, CSF ग्लूकोज कम है, प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट है.
Bacterial meningitis.
Okay, so we tied at 3-3. Toppers.
तो मुझे लगता है गेम्स थोड़े ज्यादा हमने इजी रखे हैं आप लोगों के लिए सो गोइंग टू ट्राई अ लिटिल बिट समथिंग ऑफ मोर चैलेंजिंग वंस ओके सो यू नो हिस्ट्री किसका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट था किसी का भी नहीं था ना तो अच्छा है मैं उसी का टेस्ट करूंगी नाम होंगे एंड यू हैव टू आंसर ऑलराइट ऑल द फादर्स आर यू रेडी yeah okay all right so the first question be ready to hit your buzzer okay the first question is who is considered as the father of legal medicine. Your first option is Ambroise Parr, Sir William Osler. Your option C is Paula Zacharias or Rudolf Virchow.
Ma'am, I think we have to watch your RR again and then come back and see the session.
कुछ तो बनता है ना. चलो अभी negative marking नहीं है. Answer.
We can eliminate Osler.
Yeah.
And Osler, Pareto is anatomist, I guess.
Okay.
Virtuous तो VLS.
ठीक है.
So elimination, you can answer anything.
Yeah. 50-50.
Well, oh no. Which also eliminated.
Okay, so
R eliminated Osler.
लग नहीं रहा.
A
A
और
option
C,
जो है
हाँ.
वो.
A option. ठीक है.
Gut feeling.
Good finish.
तुम्हारा final answer क्या है?
C से right.
Okay. So this is the art of क्या बोलते हैं? Elimination.
Exclusion.
देखो मुझे elimination नहीं आता है. This is the art of exclusion. So right answer. All right. So are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you the options. Don't worry. Who is the father of spinal anesthesia? Do you need the options here?
No.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah,
very good. Very good. Okay, all this bio. All right. Okay. Next one. इसमें भी तुम्हें option नहीं चाहिए. एक theme. Who is the father of modern microbiology? Robert Koch, Robert Pasteur, Paul Ehrlich, Edward Jenner.
Robert Koch.
Very good. Okay. Next one, I think शायद option है. चलो. Who is the father of antiseptic surgery?
Lister.
Joseph Lister.
Yeah. So you will need the options there. Okay. अब मेरे subject से एक question आ रहा है. You ready? Okay. Who is the founder of evidence-based medicine?
Sackett.
I'll give you the options. I'll ask the founder, not the father. Oh. So your options are David Sackett, Gordon Goyard, Horace Wells, or Morton.
Horace Wells and Morton तो anesthesia.
हाँ, उसको हटा दो.
Yeah.
Very good. Again, art of.
Wells तो we can eliminate. He's like.
ठीक है. So बच गया. Sackett was the father, and founder is the Gordon.
Yeah.
Okay. Very well done. Very well. So you've also given out a message कि तुम्हें कैसे art of exclusion करना है, elimination करना है.
Ma'am has given a taste of NEET PG. Twist. Father and founder.
Father and founder.
So, what is the medical term for fear of blood?
Fear of
Blood.
chemo.
Yes.
Hematophobia.
I think I don't know the exact name, but it was a point that in all type of phobia there is tachycardia, but in the only exception is fear of blood, in which it is having the bradycardia.
Right. Because bradycardia, because there would be vagus stimulation, so vasovagal syncope would be a indication. So that explains the bradycardia component. So the next one, what's the medical term for fear of doctors? Indian population. Which is fear in the doctors, fear of the doctors.
Fear of
Or the
doctors तो Google में आइट्रोफोबिया.
Hydrogen.
So what is the Hindi name for a disease where a person can't sleep? So insomnia हिंदी में क्या बोलोगे?
I think you guys have to answer this.
No, I am not having insomnia.
रात को नहीं दिखता. ये तो सुना था. रात को नींद नहीं आती.
ऐसा हो सकता है, बहुत सारी reasons है रात को
Anindra.
अनिंद्रा.
Anindra. So which vitamin is known as sunshine vitamin?
D.
So the last one. What condition is commonly referred to as a silent killer?
Diabetes.
Like we can also like snake bite, like crate also can be caused.
Hypertension.
Who's the queen of mnemonics?
Nikita ma'am.
Okay. Keep hammering. Guest educator. Deepak. Right. Okay.
Which educator is left-handed?
This session was like fun, having like met a lot of good teachers.
And it was a fun activity and refreshing as well.
I was very excited since yesterday to be a part of this actually, and it was nothing less.
My gurus and amazing people. Like I can make friends now. Thank you.